Good afternoon, students. So this is our next chapter, which on I'm uh, doing the video. That is the chapter diverse in our India. So basically, why the diversity of India? Because India, it is a mixture of different religions like Hindu, Christian, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, every kind of religious, and then different kinds of geographical areas are there, their habitats are there, different languages are there. So India is a mixture of uh, different kinds of people which have different diversity. So we can say that India is a truly a complex nation because it is why because it has different kind a mixture of different religion, mixture of different contents, different mixture of different languages, big mixture of different cultures, mixture of different um, festivals. So that's why India is a complex nation. And obviously, it is a subcontinent because it is the part of the continent Asia. Now, the diversity of India has posed tremendous integration problem when it forms because it has so much diversity that the population of India find as it is a pride and joy because we know we can feel that yes, this is my India where we live with many kind of languages, many kind of people, and we celebrate different kind of festivals of different religions. That is our pride and joy. So the following is an introduction to the diversity of India in terms of geography, religion, races, food, living habits of Indian people. So let's see what are the diversity of religion. If you see very carefully, the major religion like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, they have a very strong connection with India. Even Christians, some people claim that Jesus Christ mediated in India in his early years. Buddhism Buddhism was born in India, not China. So as Sikhism, Jainism, and of course Hinduism. The Zoroastrian, that means Zeus, which living in India since 600 before Christ. The people of Baha'i faith all are found in India in substantial number. So, if you see the God is Indian, India is the most religious country in the world. A profile of India's great religious and influence of some of the foreign faiths. There are also numerous cults in India. Cult means different puja, tantro, all these things with their own ideology and interpretations of their own religion, like Elemma cult, Tantric cult, and the Bhakti movement. Now, the diversity of languages, there is no such thing as the Indian language because some counts there are over 200 languages in India. almost 1600 if you include dialects, with about 20 of them being very prominent ones. Imagine a nation where population does not understand their national anthem or the president's address to the nation. That is India for you. The Indian currency is printed in 15 languages. Most forms like job application, tax forms in India are hence printed in three languages: English, Hindi, and a prominent local languages. Languages of India. A comprehensive list of languages of India arranged in alphabetical order. Yes, all 400 of them. Now, the cultural diversity. Land of India has given way to a rich potpourri of social habits, festival and customs. To appreciate the Indian culture, an introduction to religious heritage of India is necessary. So, please see the topics on the Bhakti movement. If you see Hinduism, festivals, and other topics on the Indian culture. So, India also has a very rich native or tribal culture. So, if you see the topic on the life of some of the tribes of India, at the tribals of Pastor and children of the forest god. Now, the diversity of dresses. Perhaps India remains the only country where unstitched clothing is still popular. The sari, lungi, dhoti, turbans are all worn this way. It is the way of wearing is where the styles differ. Tailored Indian clothing includes salwar kameez, collarless jackets, kurtas, and western attires for both men and women. Indian attire through centuries. Kamat Sari Sapne, the history, mystery, and magic of the Indian sari. So many types of headgear are prevalent in India. So these include rumal, topis, and turbans. Now, if you see the geographical region, it's divided into four main geographical region: the Great Himalayan Mountain Range, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the desert region, the peninsular region of the south. The Great Himalayan Mountain Range, this is one of the most desirable place for trekkers and mountaineers. The regions encompasses the various Himalayan ranges which extends along the Indian's northern and northeastern border in a 2410 kilometer curve. Himalayas are the tallest mountain system in the world. Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Plain lies in the Himalayas and the southern peninsula, which includes the valley of Brahmaputra, the Ganges, and the Indus River and their branches. The eternal city of Varanasi, the beautiful Sundarbans, the splendid Taj Mahal, and the charming Khajuraho temple fall in this region. The desert region, this region comprises of the Great Desert and Little Desert. Rajasthan and Gujarat fall in this place. The region is quite popular for its art and architecture, and you can see magnificent forts and places here. The last one is peninsular region of the south. South India or the southern peninsular region is surrounded by mountains. In the north lie the Vindhya and the other mountain ranges that separate the Deccan from northern plains. Now, the diversity of climate, India major has three main seasons: monsoon, summer, and winter. Monsoon, June to October. There are mainly two types of monsoon pattern: southwest mountain, which occur in June to October, and northeast mountain from October to December. Summer is April to June, winter is October to March. Now, diversity of climate in the second part, that India is considered as a subcontinent as it is geographically quite a large country. Even because of this geographical vastness, different climates are being experienced in different part of this country. Each region of this country is having a bit of differences in weather. In this context, it will be a good example to hold that southern India is a warm place. However, the northern India is cold. The season of the country keeps changing and mainly four seasons are being experienced here. The four seasons are winter, summer, advancing monsoon, and retreating monsoon. Studying the Indian climate will be easier by dividing it into different regions only. It can be divided as tropical wet, tropical dry, subtropical humid, and mountain. Even for further ease of research, these regions have also been divided into four climatic zones, which are known as alpine, subtropical, tropical, and arid. Thank you, students. I hope you have enjoyed.